Hello and welcome to the Shurley English 2-Minute Tip. Today we are going to look at the pronunciation and spelling of these two words. One reason writing can be confusing is because of words called homophones. Homophones are words that are pronounced the same and spelled differently. If you use the wrong word, you can end up confusing your reader. This is a list of some homophones that are commonly confused. Today we will discuss capital. Using the right word when writing will help keep your reader from being confused. Capital with an A can mean uppercase letters, city seat of a country or state government, or accumulated wealth. Capital with an O can mean the building where the legislative branch of government meets. It is capitalized when used as a proper noun, as in the United States Capitol building, or in other words that have to do with the building, like Capitol Hill. Confusion sometimes occurs when using these words in writing. Let's look at some tips now to help your brain remember when to use each one. First, let's look at tips for using capital with an A. When capital is used when referring to uppercase letters, think of the capital A in ABC. This will trigger your brain to recall AL instead of OL. Capital with an A can also mean accumulated wealth. You can help your brain to remember to use an A for this meaning by thinking of the A in bank as you think about that cute little piggy bank of your childhood. Capital with an A is also used when referring to the capital of a state or a country, such as Little Rock, Arkansas. You can cue your brain to remember capital with an A for this meaning, since all the states have a capital. Now let's discuss capital with an O. You can determine the time is right to use this capital when you are writing about the U.S. Capitol building where Congress meets. Capital is also used with an O when referring to other proper nouns related to the U.S. Capitol, such as Capitol Hill, the location of the Capitol building. Notice the rounded top of the U.S. Capitol building? That can help your brain remember to use OL instead of AL for this meaning of capital. Thank you for being with me to discuss the spelling and meaning of these homophones. You can also check out our website at www.shurley.com.